The final stronghold of the Occupy movement in BC is weakening. A Supreme Court judge in Nanaimo has ordered a group of protesters to leave Diana Krall Plaza, granting the city an injunction against them. The tents are coming down and the tarps are being rolled up, but as CTV's Scott Cunningham shows us, the protesters say this is not the end.
I think it should go down to
a fractured sign for a broken movement. Protesters reluctantly pack up their things, ready to obey a court order. Since October 15th, Diana Krall Plaza has been a tent city. But today, a Supreme Court judge handed down an injunction ordering the removal of protesters who are breaking several city bylaws.
We were in breach of the bylaw and the court seemed to see fit that the injunction was necessary. I personally feel that it's deplorable.
While similar movements in Vancouver and Victoria were quashed by injunctions weeks ago, the city of Nanaimo held back, issuing 2 warnings in November before showing their teeth today.
The case law clearly outlines that simply the fact that you have an occupation there deprives the public of its right to its public spaces.
The exodus in Diana Krall Plaza has begun. Protesters are gathering their things and packing up. But for some in the community, it's not soon enough.
Some of our businesses are going to be pleased to see it go.
While a protester doused a city worker with urine in Victoria, Nanaimo's group was less headline-grabbing. Police say they dealt with a slight increase in calls, but today the court heard the greatest impact may have been on business in the core. Corey Hostetter with a downtown improvement group says now focus can return to making the area an economic driver.
Everybody's gearing up for Christmas season. One of our mandates is beautification of the downtown core.
In the scope of protests, this has been a mostly well-behaved one. A judge saying the final vestige of the movement in Nanaimo is a testament to their goodwill with the city and police. Still, faced with an injunction order to leave the plaza, most here will take down the tents, but keep their footing.
I think we can be proud of the fact that we lasted this long, and yes, we still got the injunction, but it doesn't mean that Occupy ends or dies.
Police have told protesters their tents must be gone by midday Saturday, or charges could be laid. Scott Cunningham, CTV News, Nanaimo.